Hello viewers, this is your VPN expert from bestvpndeals.com. Bestvpndeals.com provides you with videos and instructions of how to use a VPN and of course why to use a VPN in the first place. So, because we have been updating quite a lot of videos now and we have received a very good feedback from you, thanks to you. So I'll be asking you, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel Best VPN Deals, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, so let's start our video, and our video today is about why and how to use a VPN with Kodi. So I'm sure you must be aware of Kodi, but I'm going to give you a bit of briefing in order to introduce why should you use a VPN with it. So Kodi is an open source platform where you can watch a lot of TV shows and movies that are not accessible within your region as well, and what are old videos which are not aired recently. So you can watch you name any kind of video, or you name music as well. You can listen to music and you can watch videos. You can do it's a multimedia platform, and you can do whatever you like to do and watch TV as well, stream TV as well over there. So because it is an open source platform and anybody can upload anything, any add-on or any video, any music add-on as well, so it becomes a bit dangerous and you get to doubt the add-on you're downloading, and you give it a second thought before downloading it. So in order to be worryless, you need a VPN to spoof your location and further security concerns. If you already have a VPN, then a thumbs up. You can use that with your Kodi. But if you don't, then we recommend that you should be using the common or the well-known VPNs in the industry, which is ExpressVPN, which we are using, and NordVPN, IPVanish, and Hide My IP, Viper VPN. You can use all these VPNs, any of these VPNs, to ensure maximum security. So if you don't have a VPN, let us give you a briefing how to install a VPN into your system. So VPNs are usually available. ExpressVPN is one of the best ones in the industry. So they're usually available in on all platforms, and they are compatible. Like you can use it on your PC, on Windows, on Mac, on Android, on any kind of platform. So you simply need to go to the website expressvpn.com and get ExpressVPN. Click over here, and then you'll be directed to their packages, and we recommend using their annual package, which costs you 8.32, which is a bit pricey, but it is worth it. It's completely worth it. And it saves you 35% as well, and it ensures maximum security. So you get this, and you get to the payment method as well, and voila, there you go, you have the VPN. Once you have the VPN like we have right now, we're gonna open this VPN. So right now you can click, the selected location is Australia. You can click on the smart location as well, and it can select any location and any service, because they have plenty of servers, and it will select the best server with the best speed, so that it gives you optimum service. So it's gonna be Hong Kong at the moment. So you click on it has selected already, so you click on the standby button, and it's gonna start connecting. And once it has connected, it just takes 1 to 2, in fact 15 to 30 seconds to connect, and there it is. See, it's quite quick. And once you have connected your PC to a VPN, your IP address has already changed. And if on the same computer you are using, or whatever device you are going to use Kodi, it's going to spoof your location, and simply you just need to open your Kodi application, and it's going to be safe for you to add any kind of add-ons and stuff. So it's going to take a little bit of time to load the Kodi application for me. I'm going to enjoy some amazing TV shows and movies right now, and with these instructions you can also enjoy watching a lot of Kodi videos, shows and movies. So enjoy that, and hit the thumbs up button and hit subscribe if you like it, and keep watching Best VPN Deals videos, and bye bye, au revoir.